Let us begin with the chapter the future tense. Now we know future tense means tense which shows the future time. Okay, simple future, future continuous and future perfect, right? There are three types. Now structure: subject plus will shall plus base form of the verb, subject plus will shall plus be plus ing form, and future perfect: subject, will shall, has have and past participle, that means third form. I will play, I will be playing, I will have played. मैं खेलूंगा, मैं खेल रहा होऊंगा, मैं खेल चुका होगा, right? The simple future tense in English has a set of unique functions. Talking of things decided upon as we speak, that means बात करते हुए कोई चीज हमने डिसाइड की. Are you going to the cinema tonight? I shall come along. Talking of things that are certainly going to happen, which is fixed. It will be Christmas next week. One cannot change this. I shall turn 15 tomorrow. Talking of things that we believe are going to happen. Here it was certain, and in this we believe. She thinks I shall not help her. We believe that you will make good money out of this. Talking of things that show an offer or a promise. Nayana will surely help you. Dara will not rest until she finishes that. We often remember this structure. There are two verbs, right? And the other one is in present tense. When first part is future, generally the other one comes in present tense. Talking of things that ask somebody to do something. Will you please carry these notes? Will the library lend me an extra book this once, right? Future continuous tense has a specific function, talking of things that will be going on at some point in the future. That means at particular this date, this function or this thing will be happening. I shall be eating Chinese tonight, right? Tonight is the time and there is this action that will happen. Madhu and Ira will be joining us for the party. When the party will be there, Madhu and Ira will be joining us. Note that tense and time are not the thing. We can use forms of present tense to indicate a future time. We remembered this thing was also referred in present tense. We use simple present tense to refer future actions that have already been scheduled. Classes begin next week. Simple present tense used to talk about future actions in if clauses. These clauses also use simple present tense to talk about future actions, right? If you help out, the children will be happy. We also use present continuous tense to talk about future actions that have been planned. They are organizing a picnic this month. We use going to plus base form of the verb to talk about actions that indicate an intention. They are going to visit us soon. A clause is a group of words that contains a subject and the verb but may or may not be complete in itself. If it is not complete, it is dependent clause. If clause is a subordinate clause which expresses a condition. If it rains, I will get wet. This is important, if clauses. Future perfect tense has a specific function. Now, talking of those actions that will be completed at some point in the future. My children will have reached Kolkata by now. Okay, now this particular lady is saying, or parent, whoever it is, it's saying that by this time my children will have reached Calcutta, right? Tuhina will have left by this time next week. That next week at this same time this girl would have been left.